what we are going to learn today? Elements of drawing. What we are going to learn today?
Elements of drawing.
Anyone aware about this? You can tell me. Elements of drawing. What we use while doing drawing? What we use? What are the basic things while making drawing? What we draw first? Line. Understood? Shape, lines we draw. So these are heard by us, but these are the elements of drawing. What are they? Elements of drawing, which are very important. Without using all these things, that line, shape and everything, we cannot complete our drawing. Let's see how it is working. Okay. So first is line. I am going to explain you line. So line is a simple word, but what are the differences? Let's see. First we can see dotted line. You have seen. On road also we can see the straight line, the dotted line, the double line. They are having some meanings. Understood? When you will give driving test after you are 18, you will learn all these rules. When there is dotted line, it means you can overtake the vehicle. When there is a straight line like this, unbroken straight line, complete line on the road, in the middle of the road, it means you cannot overtake the vehicle. Understood? So every line, it has some meaning. Okay? So let's see another line. It is straight line. Then we can say rhythmic line or zigzag lines. Understood? We have learned all these lines, right? Curved line. Any other line you remember? Any other line? What we have drawn? No? I think these are the enough, right? Okay, let's see the other one. What we can do is we will learn shape. So shapes. What are the different shapes? Can you tell me? What shapes you know? Yes?
Rectangle, square, circle.
Okay. Rectangle. Now we will do, where is it? Insert shapes. Okay. So rectangle. This is one shape. Another triangle, circle. Understood? Triangle. So these are the different shapes. What we call these shapes? Do you remember? Geometry. Yes? 2D shapes. Very good. Last time we have learned the different shapes. Na? She is very correct. These are 2D shapes. So, which are they? 2D shapes. 2D shapes. And one another thing we can call them geometrical shapes. Which are they? Geometrical shapes. Okay. So, these are 2D shapes also and geometrical shapes also. Now we will going to learn 3D shapes. Which are 3D shapes? Do you remember? They are not here. We can draw here. See. Do you remember these shapes? Cylinder. Then we have learned cube. These are all 3D shapes. 3D shapes. Okay. Now what another kind of shapes you know? Do you know? Yes? Sorry? Hexagon. Okay, this is coming in 3D shapes. Other than 3D shapes, other than geometrical and 2D shapes, what we can explain? What are the different shapes? Can anyone tell me? decorative shapes. Decorative shapes. Which are they? Yes? Stars and all. She tried, but it is not that. Stars is not a decorative shape. Let me explain you. If I am going to draw a butterfly in a decorative manner, I am going to do it like this. Very curvy forms and very decorative one. This is decorative shape of butterfly. So I am going to tell you the geometrical form of the butterfly. See, one square, one triangle I have used. This is, what is this? Butterfly. But this butterfly is decorative shape and this butterfly is geometrical form or shape. Geometrical shape. Understood? Again I am going to explain you a different shape. I will show you a fish. If you are going to draw fish in a geometrical shape, I am going to do a fish can be simple form of geometrical shape. This is the fish. We can add a eye in a geometrical form, a circle. If I add a circle, it is simple geometrical form of a shape, fish, sorry. And if I am going to teach you a decorative form of the fish, see, we are going to draw decorative with light blue. So how I can draw? So these are the very simple decorative forms of a fish. Understood? The decorative form shapes carries a rhythmic lines. Do you understand? Rhythmic lines it carries. So it is looking very curvy. You can see there. And these are very stiff lines, straight lines. And geometrical forms carries geometrical shapes, very stiff lines and geometrical forms. Is this clear? Yes. And what another thing we are going to learn? Is this clear? Can I wipe it out? So these are the basic elements of drawing. Another thing is, what anyone can tell? What is important in coloring? Tones. Very good. Very good. So another important part is color and its tones. So colors we have already learned. Which are the different colors? Which are the different colors? Can you tell? We have learned in the, yes?
Primary, secondary, cool, hot.
Okay, you tell me. This is the same. Okay, we have learned primary colors, then secondary, then which? Hot color, it means warm also. Hot colors, cool colors, etc. Okay. And now tones. Can you explain tones? Yes. Very nice. See, we have learned tones. Three tones we will learn. See, we have learned this tonal practice while making it horizontally. Now we are doing it vertically. Now we are doing it horizontally. Okay. So first we are going to lay 5. Understood? First will be white. These are the Highkey. High key. This is high key. But only white we can't take. Okay. So first is white. Second will be little bit light. And another will be little bit more dark. This is stippling I am doing. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Then here I am going to do middle key. So it will go darker. Understood? So these are the way you can do with stippling also. If you want to do it with lines, you can draw lines also to make it dark. Here it will go again darker. So here darker than this. Stippling takes so much time. Can you realize the difference?
Yes.
The last one will be the direct dark one. It means total black also you can use. See, white to black. Where we are doing to like this, high key, middle key, low key, we have learned this. Understood? And now we are doing it this way, so we can show proper chart, high key, middle key and low key. So this is also very important for your drawing. Tonal values. What is the another anything remaining? Space. The very important part is space. Can anyone explain what is the meaning of space? Where you use it? Space मतलब क्या? What is space? Spacecraft हमने सीखा है कि नहीं? Space, it means hollow area, empty place. Sky पता है आपको? Sky में जाते हैं rockets and all. So we have learned that the spacecraft. Space is means the empty place. So what is our place? Our space. Our space is our drawing paper. Our space is our drawing paper, or we can explain the area, empty area where we are going to put all these elements and we are going to complete our drawing. So why it is very important? We need to, Ali, please pay attention. We are going to show the balance between all the shapes and lines and tonal values. For the example, if I am going to give you some geometrical forms or shapes and I am going to tell you, draw here a design. So if I put everything here only and I say, teacher, I have completed this drawing. Is this looking good?
No.
Balance is there?
No.
No balance at all. So this is not the good space division. Understood? So what will be the correct one? See, the space is the same. If I do here everything, so this is wrong one, okay? And if I put little bit element here, so this is looking at balanced one. Can you see? You are also feeling that this one is good and this one is wrong. Why? Because the proper balance is there. Is that clear? Is that clear, students? And one more thing, I can show another example. When we draw memory drawing, there also space division is very important. How it is important? If the place is this much bigger and if you draw human figures this much tiny, is it looking correct? No. Because this much area you have left like this only, it is not useful at all. Now the same area, and if I draw one figure this much big, another one is bending down, another one somewhere here. So now this is the balanced drawing. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
So you are getting my point, space division. Are you getting this?
Yes.
So which one is right? ये वाला right है कि वो वाला? Left one or right one?
Right.
Correct. The right one is right and left one is wrong. Understood?
Yes.
So I hope you have learned all the elements of drawing. Understood? So we are going to use all these elements while making our drawing. So it will be very nice one. So can you just copy and explain by your own way? It doesn't mean you need to copy all this only. You can explain by your own ideas. If you want to explain this space division different manner, you can do that. How you can do that? You may take a different shape. It should not only square. If you draw a circle and one more here. So this is also needing a space division. How? When we draw design, many times you have learned that draw a design using so-so elements in a circle or draw design in square. So there also space division is very much important. So you can draw any geometrical shapes or any different balancing shape here. You need to do balance with the tonal values also, not only shapes. We have learned light to dark gradation scale. So where to use light, where to use dark tones. It is also a space division, it is also a balance making thing. Okay, but this we will learn on next lecture. But till now, whatever we have learned, you practice on your drawing book. I am coming to check your drawing books. Okay, start it. Yes, have you completed, dear students?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Everyone completed your drawing? The elements of drawing?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone. Very nice. Some बेटा आपका बाकी है ना, आप कंप्लीट कर लो जल्दी. Yes, put it your book down.